So this particular video here is a follow-on from my last one named Poor 8700. As you can see in my finger, these two corners here are bent. Definitely not looking pretty good, but anyway, if you've seen that video you know what the go with this one is. Basically it's a 8700 that got crushed and was destined for the bin. So I've decided to have a small crack at trying to repair it, which this may work, it may not. I've got no idea which way it will go, but for investing 10 minutes of time, I think it might be worthwhile for the potential gain of a relatively high-end processor. Anyway, I've got my quick 861 running at 325 degrees Celsius. And the idea that I've got here is I'm holding it in a old Gigabyte G1 Sniper B7 mainboard. This mainboard's stuffed. It came out of an old, or not quite an old machine, but essentially a smoker's machine. Died of smoking damage. I haven't been able to get it to start, so it's a perfect candidate to hold this i7 in place. So I heat it up, try and bend it back. I do battle with this for probably around about 3-4 minutes. This section of the video goes for about 1, so we're nearly on to the next phase. I do kick it up a gear, but with each time taking it out, have a quick check, and it does improve slightly. I'm not sure of the tolerances that the 1151 socket requires for all pins to function. That's the next dilemma that I've got. But tomorrow I will be receiving a compatible Coffee Lake mainboard, and from there I'll be able to actually give it a proper test to see if it will start. And over in the distance there, I've got a bit more extreme with it. I've got the chip on the end of the bench, and I'm going to use a flat blade screwdriver to bend it further or past the point, and hopefully from there I can get it functional. So with a bit of stuffing around, investing about 10-15 minutes of time, hopefully I can get this $500 processor going once more. Anyway, time will tell, and I'll either update on this video or produce another video, one of the two, letting you know what I found and how it goes. Anyway, I'll let the video play out and I'll catch you later.